I'm Kristen Walker, Commercial Manager for the Americas for Thermo Scientific lab refrigerators and freezers. In this video, we'll highlight some of the available accessories like wire baskets and stainless steel drawers that come standard on some units and are optional on others. Our accessories provide flexible solutions for you to customize Thermo Scientific refrigerators and freezers for your applications. Our Thermo Scientific TSX blood bank refrigerators and plasma freezers come standard with stainless steel roll-out drawers. These drawers are optional on other models of TSX refrigerators and freezers. The placement of these drawers is adjustable, and there is a line in the refrigerator that shows where you should not load above. The dividers are optional and can be used to organize the stainless steel drawers. This can be especially useful for blood and plasma bags in our blood bank refrigerators and plasma freezers. Our Thermo Scientific TSX pharmacy refrigerators come standard with wire baskets that extend out. These same baskets can be ordered for other TSX refrigerators as an option. These can be especially convenient in the lower part of our refrigerators. You should not load the bottom of the cabinet. The Thermo Scientific TSX enzyme freezer comes standard with enzyme bins to organize and store enzymes at -20°C. These bins can be ordered separately and used in any Thermo Scientific refrigerators and freezers. Our shelf supports are used mostly on our chromatography refrigerators for supporting heavy chromatography instruments and distributing the weight across the shelf. They are an optional accessory for any of our TSX refrigerators and freezers where you may need weight distribution across the shelf. The weight capacity for each shelf is 100 pounds. Thank you for checking out some of the accessories we offer with the TSX series refrigerators and freezers. Please contact your Thermo Fisher Scientific lab equipment representative with questions and help customizing your refrigerator or freezer. For more information, please visit thermofisher.com/lab refrigerators.